can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family?
Hello, motherfucker.
Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna be unboxing some sick ass packages for you guys. I hope you do end up enjoying this one, cause hey, my pockets just hope that you do, bro. If you do end up enjoying this one, slap a fat like on it down below. Let's see if we could get this one to 200 likes. I promise you I'll bring you another banger unboxing shortly. But if you do end up enjoying, slap a like on this one. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And do not forget to click the Gleam link in the description as well to enter in a Supreme cards giveaway and a tee giveaway. You definitely don't want to miss out. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we're gonna start off with this box right here. This is actually a package that I got like a week or so ago and I forgot to unbox it. And this one you got 2 P.O Box logo. They always hit me with that damn sticker, but we do have this hat which is actually a banger. I'm gonna pull it out briefly just so you guys can see. I'm not gonna try it on because this is gonna be for sale, but this is the forest green box logo fitted in a size 7 1/8. This is for a small ass head. Low-key definitely wouldn't fit me, but you got that world famous Supreme box logo. This is definitely one of the better colorways and it probably is up for sale on Astro Bodega. Just go ahead and hit me with some offers. This is size 7 1/8 and it is on Astro Bodega, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. Next up we got this package right here which is Supreme if I'm not mistaken. This one comes with 2 different shirts. We got the Smurfs box logo sticker. Thank God I actually got one. I was kind of hoping I would get a purple or a black, but I am gonna have to pay resale for those. I low-key want to get the whole set. This is fire nonetheless. Got a regular Vote sticker and then you got the Smurfs one right there as well. Now in there we do have this Smurfs tee in black. I kind of regret getting this color, I'm not gonna lie, but this one might get sold in the future. Don't really know what I'm gonna do with it yet. You got that big ass Smurfs print on the front. I think it actually looks way better in person. Then you got that big ass Supreme branding as well. This is actually pretty clean, bro, I'm not gonna lie. You got that big ass branding. I wish that this was the red color, but I can't complain. I actually am a fan of this one. I did manage to get this one in the XL, so it might stay in the collection, might not. Don't really know as of yet. The way that the Supreme is spelled out is actually really cool to me. This is probably my favorite part on the shirt. Next we got the scratch tee in this bright coral colorway. This is one that low-key I might end up selling. I feel like I honestly don't really want this one, so it might be on Astro Bodega. This is a size XL in this bright coral color. I'm not gonna lie, when I saw this one inside the packaging, it looks way worse, and even on the camera it looks kind of way worse than it does in person. It's almost like this peachish pinkish color, but the camera's making it seem way too pink in my opinion. You have that Supreme branding on the front right there. Isn't that bad, bro? I wish I could explain it better. That scratch tee is probably something that I wouldn't wear, but I feel like a lot of people could pull it off. Have you ever nipped your nutsack while trying to shave in the shower? Have you ever just bled out and almost lost a whole testicle trying to shave? Today I want to show you guys this special piece that I was sent by the homies over at Hunk Up to keep your bush nice and lawn mowed. All you need to do is check out Hunk Up in the description. They are selling these for $69. Low-key, this is the best thing you can go ahead and get, bro. If you're not trying to bleed no more in these showers and shed these tears while shaving your ball sack, I got the solution for you. All you have to do is check out the Bushmaster Pro. They offer cut safe technology. It's waterproof, it's cordless and rechargeable. It has a digital display. What more can you ask for from the nut shaver, bro? This is all you need, and I'm gonna show y'all real quick what it looks like. It comes in this package as y'all saw. This is actually some quality shit, people. You got the speeds in the back right here, power button right there on the front, and you can also change the speeds. It has a little micro-sized ball sack right there. Then it does have the body, so if you're trying to use the body one, you put it on 5. When you put it on balls, you can low-key see that the blades separate more to make it a little bit more safer for you. But if you guys are interested in the Bushmaster Pro, all you have to do is click the link at the top of the description. They're already on sale for like $69. Definitely do not want to miss out on this. But right here is the package that I was waiting for to make this video. First, I do want to show you the Supreme toothpaste. I low-key ordered 4 and I only ended up getting 1 from what I can see, and I also saw in the confirmation that they only sent me 1, so I'll probably have to end up buying 1 or 2 from resale. It is what it is. Still clean though. I honestly want to end up using one when I get my own place. Supreme on the front right there. The fact that they even did this collaboration is just insane in my opinion. We also have the Ultra Fresh sticker, which this one is actually like a matte finish. I feel like they don't typically do that, so it's pretty cool. We also do have the Sun sticker, which is probably one of my favorites. The Supreme Clientele sticker, which is another banger. And then we got the Vote sticker. First, we got this Clientele tee. I feel like this one is gonna stay in the personal. This was one of the ones that I was like, yo, this shit is fire. You got that Supreme Clientele logo on the front, and this is a piece that they did do in the past. They pretty much just added the Supreme on top of the Clientele. This is kind of fire, and I'm glad I got it in this navy color, because if you can see in the logo right there, there's little hints of blues. Then on the back you have that Ghostface Killer. I'm assuming this is from an album. You got that small box logo. It's just some Wu-Tang shit, fire shit right here. I really do love this tee, and this one's probably gonna stay in the collection. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I do think resale for this tee will go up through time. Mark my word on that. We got another tee right here. This is the Sun tee, and bruh, if y'all knew from me talking in the drop list, you already know that this is probably my favorite tee. Definitely the one that I wanted. Like, if I missed on everything else, I wanted this one right here. This shit is so clean. It has like this cartoony fire, like it's just so fire. Literally Supreme right there, the spell out. You got this big sun, which is kind of pissed, but this is a clean ass shirt, and I'm really excited about this one. I feel like down the line this one's also gonna go up in resale. Next, we got these 2 shirts that come from Travis Scott's website. I don't know if you guys remember, there was 2 shirts that he dropped and they were each $10. So I was like, fuck it, let me just might as well go ahead and get these. They're hella cheap, so might as well get them. One of the homies from the channel told me to go ahead and check them out. This is the Got 'em Bamboozled piece. This is from the whole Utopia shit that he dropped. This is clean nonetheless, but I don't know how much I would be wearing this. They got the Cactus Jack 1 size right there. These are 1 size, but they're pretty big, so I feel like you can fit it if you're a big boy, or if you're small, this is an oversized fit. Definitely clean for $10. Come on, bro, you cannot go wrong. Then we also had this other one right here, which is the same shit, Cactus Jack 1 size, and it just says yup on it, pretty much a yup design. Then I got the Cactus Jack in the corner right there as well. These are just some simple pieces to go ahead and add to the collection. Maybe just wear them on a regular basis. Doesn't really matter, but $10 for a tee isn't bad, especially when prices be like $30, $40. I literally paid $21 shipped for both of these together, so it's not any type of loss. I feel like down the line these will go for at least $40 each, and bro, paying $10, you make money. Like, that's all it is. I need y'all to slap the like button on this video for these last 2 items. First up, we got this box right here, which low-key holds a treasure. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, and in here we do have a little letter, so I'm gonna go ahead and read it. It says, Astro Nori, thank you so much for everything, bro. Keep making that fire content. I'm so glad it was you that got these. Shout out to the homie Hardcore Comedy for hooking me up with a good price on these. He's actually selling some fire ass sneakers on his Instagram. Even sent me some pins, sent me that nice letter, this scratch off box logo sticker, front sticker, and the Buju Banton sticker as well. But all the little gifts aside, we do have this Jumpman with the cheese holes on the box. If you know, you know. Size 10.5 on the box. You already know what it is. Pop this open, and we got that see-through paper with the Jumpman on it. Bruh, we got the off-white Jordan 5s, but all I'm gonna say is fire, bro. Like, come on. These shits are hard with the sale colorway on the shoelaces. It comes with the other red and cream shoelace and the set of black ones as well. These shits are so fire. I really am a fan of these, and after seeing them in person, you love them that much more. I feel like they look so clean in person. I used to think the yellow was too yellow, but when you see it, it's just different, bro. Like, you got that black off-white tag on it, 23 on the side, Nike Air on the back. You got his stamp right there on the inside, shoelaces on the laces, the little cheese hole on the top. But at the end of the day, these shits are so clean, barely worn. Look at the bottom of these, it just looks way too clean. to pass up on. I honestly want to know, do you guys like these or the sale pair more? I honestly love these 10 times more than the sale pair. I don't know what it is about it, but this black colorway just looks way more cohesive. I feel like that sale pair looks like he's trying too hard. I'm not gonna lie, that's just what I think about it. I feel like on the sale 4s, it kills it. Those are fire. But these, when it comes to the 5s, are the ones that I would definitely go for. Once again, major shout out to the homie Hardcore Comedy for hooking me up with a good price on these right here. Go ahead and check him out. He's selling some fire shit, bro. But this was probably my favorite pickup from the video. Slap the like button if y'all ready for this one. We got 2 more stickers. No special sticker, which is a bummer. We got the Supreme Box logo long sleeve in the black colorway. This one is a banger, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, but I'm gonna do an in-depth review on it. But literally, this is all it is to it. Supreme Box logo in black right there on the front. Size XL on the tag. Black colorway. Supreme Box logo. I want to know what y'all thought about this box logo drop. I feel like this was another solid one. Low-key, I was kind of hating on it at first because I'm just tired of so many box logos. But at the end of the day, they normally don't drop long sleeves unless it's like friends and family. And I feel like this one was a banger. In this black color, I definitely love it. The fact that I got it in black low-key makes me want to keep it. Like, come on, I don't really have a box logo shirt in black. I have this one and the bandana one from the tees, and I feel like this one's a banger, bro. Definitely keeping this one. I actually forgot to include this package. This is a birthday gift that my little brother and sister actually got for me, and initially I wasn't even gonna show it in the video because this is something completely different than what I do, but they did get me a wing for my Lexus. This shit is gonna be so fire. I'm actually really excited to go ahead and put this on the whip. I have a couple mods that I want to do on it, and if you guys do want to end up seeing me do that, I guess, go ahead and let me know in the comments, and I will drop a little car vid for you guys. I got a couple mods that I want to do to it. I actually picked up everything I need, so I just wanted to know if you guys would like to see something like that. This is just like a little lip to put on my trunk. I feel like it's gonna look fire. I didn't really want anything too aggressive or too OD, but I just wanted a little pop, a little touch on it. So thank you to my little sister and my little brother for giving this for my birthday. Fire. But that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all did enjoy, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And also click the Gleam link in the description if you're trying to go ahead and enter in a Supreme cards and a Supreme tee giveaway. You do not want to miss out on this one. It's actually pretty fire. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel